Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 4/6/2024 and the time is roughly around 10:30. Sorry, I was held up in a webinar, so that's why the video got a little late, and nothing to cheer up on my uh, findings or prediction that market will make a top on third. It exactly made the top today, and from there we had a phenomenal fall. And this is what we are talking for the last 1 week, and started offloading all our portfolios in the last 5 days, and fortunately we got saved by this phenomenal fall. But this is not the time to claim that I predicted this and market happened and all that. But this is the time to just pray to God that many people, they lost huge money because of this event. Yesterday they were all bullish, all went long, and watching all the television channels, telegram channels and all that, and today everything was vanished in a flash. So we need to pray God that God has to give a lot of courage and confidence to the people, those who lost money today, and they need to come back to market with again the 100% discipline to make the money. Because understand one thing, God is always there to make money. He will punish you. He will punish you only when we go out of the discipline. So come back strong, nothing to worry about it. And the second thing which hurted me a lot was Amity as well as Ayodhya and the UP result. Literally shaken out of that findings, and we clearly said that on 17th May itself that BJP will not cross 304. That was our number, and we predicted that they will not cross that number. And exactly today, when the counting started at 8:30, exactly they went and touched 304 at 8:30 when the counting begins, and from there everything went for a toss, and nothing. I don't want to say anything more than that. Even I was also shocked because of that election result. Let's see. Again, we are praying that good governance come into the play, and then they need to take this India to the next highest level for the next 5 years time. Hope for the best. Who is going to come in the 2-3 days? I think we will be knowing all that. So this is not the time to cheer up on my findings. This is the time to pray to God to give lot of confidence and courage to the investors and the traders community. Okay, so now let's go and see the graph. So now this is what we predicted, that on 17th May we said that BJP must hold 303, otherwise it is a very big issue. Big players have a major agenda. If you see for the last 10 days, FIAs are continuously selling right from the May month, because they have some kind of data. Maybe they would have had some kind of data, or based on some other workings, they started shorting the market. But suddenly yesterday they covered roughly around 6,500 crores, and everybody said that FIS got shattered, and then they are buying everything. Modi is going to come, blah 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 blah. Buy everything, buy now. But suddenly everything crashed. See, you need to understand one thing. When big players are doing something, you need to be with them, not with any Telegram channel or YouTube channel or any other social media. People, those who watch the social media in the last 2 days in that exit poll, they would have lost everything. If you would have stayed with your system, at least you could have exited today, and you would have at least exited from the fall based on your system. Since because you watched all those medias saying that buy everything, Modi is going to come, FIS covered 6,500 crores and all that, all rubbish. When you need to watch out what these big players are doing, right from the beginning of the May, they are concentrating on the short position, not on the long position. And today they sold roughly around 12,500 crores, and market washed out all the 6 months gain in 1 day. In 1 day. The stocks which are quoting 10% higher are now today quoting at 25% lower. See, from 100 rupees to 10 rupees is 110, but 110 to 25% is huge money. And we clearly said my prediction is 304 only. And even yesterday we sold. Yesterday we told also, still my count is 304 only. I am not going above that. Okay. So anyway, this is already happened. Now let's come to the market. So now this was the fall, and when you go to Ichimoku, we clearly said that in our weekly forecast video that it has taken a support here, and it has taken a support here. It will try to break only when this cloud is becoming narrow. We clearly said this fall will come and it will break this minute area. If it is not happened here, it would have happened here. It would have happened here. So now, coming to Ichimoku, a candle closed below the cloud, but the lagging span is still with the cloud. This is the one area of cushion, one area of cushion. But apart from that, this number, for example, if we go to the target which we mentioned today, break below 21,321, we gave the target, one second. Yeah. So below the next 21,321 below, the next target is 21,087, 21,056, 21,025 and 20,953. And last week we clearly said we are expecting the market to touch 20,800 level on the downside. So now if you go to the time cycle, this was the time cycle date high and low, which is very, very crucial for the market, and exactly it took the support there. So what is this time cycle? If you go to December 21st, which is the crucial Gann date, which everybody knows, those who are following Gann, they know very well that 21st December is the crucial date for the annual date for the market, and which is the static date for the market. So exactly after that it went up, came down, touched, and today exactly touched that number. And apart from that, we clearly said yesterday in our video that 12:15 to 1:15 1 hour magical candle in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today exactly the price and time got square today, which is the mega price and time square. So kindly use this candle high and low for the reference to trade from here on. Why? It is exactly touched the 21st December high, and this 1 hour candle 12:15 to 1:15 candle, if you go here, if you change it to 1 hour, one second, if you change it to 1 hour, that candle was the bottom of today. That candle 12:15 to 1:15 is the bottom of today, and this bottom exactly happened on this date high. And if you go to the time cycle, how we are getting the time cycle, I will show you. This is a very simple method. You don't need to do a lot of work here. And one second. Yeah. So now, if you take this major low, which is this one, not this, maybe no, just a minute. Or maybe this eye. No, not that. 1 second. So that I was exactly, if you take 19th April low and connect with 30th April high. So now let's go 19th April low and 29. Okay, so now if I connect this low to this high, exactly that timing was here. The yellow color line. The yellow color line, and this is the very crucial number for the market, 21,252.20. 52.20. This is a very crucial support number for the market. So exactly it took the support, and price and time squared exactly with the date where it started. So now if I go, one second, I will mark it. It is 19th April and 30th April. So now if you go to 19th April, just a minute, 1 hour, 19th April to 30th April. So if I mark this high and low, exactly I got the candle. Exactly I got the candle. But why this is mega price and time square? So now if I take this high, which is the cost, where I have taken the cost. So now if I go here and I mark the high and low of the cost event, which is here, that 19th April high and low, see what happened. Market went up, exactly it made the high, and from there exactly it came and touched the blue and went up again. Exactly the price and time got squared here. Price and got squared here. The same thing happened in Bank Nifty also. So now based on this, you can use this low and this high. Very simple time cycle. You don't need advanced Gann studies to make money. The simple concept in Gann will do wonder. So even if you take here, if I mark this high and low, once it broke, shattered and came exactly on the cost. This is the cost where we connected the low and high. Exactly it came here and touched and bounced. And what happened? That the candle low is happened exactly on 12:15 to 1:15 candle only. That is why we always say time is the crucial element, not the price. So now kindly use this 1 hour candle high and low, but anyway the stop loss is much bigger because that candle in Nifty is roughly around 800 points of width. So you need to manage it wisely. So now coming to the numbers, now all the numbers are in red. Now all these numbers will act as a resistance, but it is way far away from all these price. So we need to go and we need to see for next 2-3 days how the market is doing. So now what happened today? Once it broke this, we clearly said the bulls will be in trouble till 22038. 22038. So now let's mark all these numbers: 22,398, 22,550, then 22,238. So now if you go here, I will delete all this. $22,038. See how market respected. Exactly it came down, took the support, went up. Once it broke, see the massive fall. From year to year, roughly around 1000 points gone, or around 800 points gone. So now again where it closed, exactly this candle I know. So what is that number? 22,500 and just a minute, 22,550 or 520, whatever. So now where to go short? The go short number is 22,398. Now let's go and say 22,398. That is where the exact fall came. Okay, so this is how you need to use the number. So now when it comes to numbers, all the targets are done on the downside. So now I have already given the extra, extended targets for Nifty. So now all this is bearish, and again all this is bearish. Okay. Okay, so now we said 47,089, below 47,089, bulls will be in trouble till 46041, 46041. So now let's go to Bank Nifty and let's put 46041, 46041. That was the exact low of today. What a beauty of these numbers. We said once it break 47089, the target is 46041. Bulls will be in trouble till 46041, and that was the exact low of Bank Nifty. Maybe it would have missed by 20 points or whatever it is, but see how beautifully it worked. Beautifully it worked. So that's all, nothing more to add in this, and again try to concentrate on emphasis. If you go to emphasis chart, and this is a beautiful candle today, and today it had a 9 combination with one major combination, so totally 10 combinations in emphasis. And even if you take trend line and all that, so even if you take the trend line here, that was the exact support level. So watch it, time and price combining together. So watch this candle, mark the high and low of the candle. If any candle closes above, wait for the retracement, take the entry, break below, go short, mark the high of this candle and keep that as a stop loss, and you can run the show. And maybe even if you take, this is the more or less a double bottom kind of a pattern. So now even if you go here, double bottom kind of a pattern, so triple bottom maybe, so you can use it even if you extend here. More or less it is pretty much on the support level. So watch it. Why we are giving interest now is because of the time, not because of any price, not because of any price. Okay, and a monthly number if you want, buy about 2391, stop loss 2343 for this month. So till now it is not able to close below 2343. Still something is intact in this counter. So watch out. Close above you buy, close below you sell. In between you should not do anything. In between you should not do anything. Okay, that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework and consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. All the traders communities, investors communities, the prayer was we need a stable government, and even though in case if BJP forms the government with a little bit of coalition, maybe the reforms will not take that much of a speed which we thought. It will take some more time. Instead of 2 years, it may take 3-4 years. So maybe they need to work hard to to pass this next 5 years. Let's hope. Let's the God gives a lot of confidence, courage, strength, health to Modi ji in case if he is forming the government, and we all pray for him. Let him take our India to the next level. That's our traders, investors, communities wish already. Let's see next the time, the market, the universe will know what to do, and let's pray for the best, and let's see what we can do best for the country. Okay, thanks a lot. See you soon.